Systeme.io features and tools. Systeme.io offers a range of features and tools to support online businesses. These include drag-and-drop sales funnel creation, email marketing automation, webinar hosting, membership site management, affiliate program management, payment integration, and more. The platform aims to provide a comprehensive set of tools to help entrepreneurs streamline their online business processes. Sales funnels. Systeme.io allows users to create sales funnels with ease. The drag-and-drop funnel builder enables users to design and customize their sales funnels according to their specific needs. This feature is particularly useful for capturing leads, converting prospects into customers, and maximizing sales. Email marketing. The platform includes a built-in email marketing system that allows users to create and send personalized email campaigns to their subscribers. It provides email automation capabilities, such as autoresponders, segmentation, and tagging, to engage with leads and nurture customer relationships effectively. Membership sites. Systeme.io enables users to create and manage membership sites to deliver exclusive content, courses, or products to their customers. It provides membership site templates and features for secure content access, user management, and subscription management. Affiliate program management. Users can set up and manage their affiliate programs within Systeme.io. This feature allows businesses to recruit affiliates, track affiliate sales and commissions, provide promotional materials, and automate the affiliate payout process. Integration and connectivity. Systeme.io integrates with various third-party platforms and services, including payment gateways, such as Stripe and PayPal, webinar platforms, like Zoom, and popular email marketing services. This integration capability enables seamless connectivity and data synchronization between different tools. Customer support. Systeme.io offers customer support to assist users with any questions, issues, or technical difficulties they may encounter while using the platform. Users can access support through email, live chat, or the knowledge base provided on the Systeme.io website. Overall, Systeme.io aims to provide a comprehensive suite of tools and features to help entrepreneurs and online businesses establish and manage their online presence effectively. It offers a range of functionalities, from sales funnel creation to email marketing automation and affiliate program management, with the goal of simplifying the process of running an online business.